friends, I'm Heather Pace and today I am making pumpkin Alfredo. I love this recipe. It's really easy to make, only a few simple ingredients. It's vegan, it's paleo, gluten-free, and I'm gonna be mixing it with zucchini noodles, but you can use any noodle of your choice. It is just so creamy and comforting and delicious. So let's hop in the kitchen and do it. Here are my ingredients for the pumpkin Alfredo sauce. I've got some canned pumpkin puree, raw cashew pieces, Himalayan salt, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, garlic, some black pepper if you want, and water. Super simple. I'm adding all my ingredients into the blender, starting with the pumpkin. Now, depending on the consistency of your pumpkin, you'll want to play around with the ratio of water that's needed for the recipe. They're all a little bit different. Next up, cashew pieces. You don't need to soak these as long as you have a high-speed blender. If you don't, then you might want to soak them no more than an hour. Apple cider vinegar is going in, gonna give it that nice little tang. Himalayan salt is going in, and the lemon juice. I like the combo of lemon and the apple cider vinegar. Now I'm adding in the water, and you want to start with the least amount and add a little bit more as needed instead of adding too much and then the sauce will be too thin. And the clove of garlic. Let's do a crack of black pepper, and we are ready to blend. Pop that top on. And you want to blend it until completely smooth and creamy. And check out this gorgeous, silky smooth Alfredo sauce. Let me tell you, I can basically eat this by the spoon. This could actually be a soup now that I think of it, a creamy pumpkin soup. Now I'm gonna prep my mushrooms and noodles. So I've got a package of organic mushrooms here. I have a damp paper towel, and I'm simply gonna wipe the mushrooms to remove any of the dirt. Now this is the best way to clean them because they like to soak up water like a sponge. So you just wanna make sure you're brushing it off and not getting them wet. And now I'm gonna slice them up. The other option is to buy the mushrooms already sliced, which is nice if you're short on time. I'm not measuring here, but I'd say in the end I have about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. Now I'm adding a generous drizzle of avocado oil into my hot pan. You could do olive oil as well if you want. And then I'm gonna add the mushrooms in. This is a high heat, little salt, and get them going. I'm gonna make zucchini noodles for my dish, and for this I need my spiralizer and a few zucchinis. I'm gonna leave the skins on, but you can peel them if you want. I'm just gonna trim the ends. I'll cut them in half and then run them through the spiralizer. I love this gadget. Only about $25, so I think everyone should have one in their kitchen. It's just so fun, and actually it's probably faster than making pasta. There we go, there's my noodles. So fun, and they're really, really long, so what I like to do is just cut them a few times with the knife. Otherwise, they're ridiculously long. Enjoy the noodles raw just like I am, or you can heat them up in a pot. That's totally fine. Either way, they're going to soften once they get mixed with the sauce. I'm sprinkling with some crushed up nuts and seeds for a faux parmesan, and it's ready to go. This is a massive bowl of deliciousness. Check this out. It is so creamy, and you saw how easy it is to make. Going in for it. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. So good. Hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. And if you have a sweet tooth, be sure to check out my new ebook, Sugar-Free Treats. All the recipes are vegan, paleo, most are keto, and they are truly sugar-free. There are 23 recipes. They're all really easy to make. 8 ingredients max. Most of them are only 4 to 5 ingredients, and they're just so yummy. So if you're anything like me and you have a mega sweet tooth, but you're trying to cut back on your sweet intake, then these are the perfect little treat. So check that out, sweetlyraw.com.